Hey guys, today we're gonna do a review on something I'm really excited about. They're gonna be Bluetooth headphones with kitty ears. So these are let's read this, the Razer Kraken Kitty V2 BT Quartz Edition. They're wireless Bluetooth RGB headset with kitty ears. And I almost read the next line, but that's in Spanish. Razer Chroma RGB, very cool. And Triforce 40 drivers. So, yay, exciting. I hope they work as well as they look. All right, let's take these kitties out of the box. All right, that's nice little holder here. And for this video, I'm wearing a little tiger. You know, see? Wearing a little tiger. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, I love these type of boxes. They open and it's so cool. I like how they open. Okay, moving things around a little bit on the desk. Okay. Come on, Tracy. All right. Okay, why aren't you coming out? Come on! Oh, come on! Hey, there we go. There we go. There we go. I don't want to break them. Okay, I'm assuming these are the instructions. Yes, probably. Do we need them? We'll see. We may not need them. I like to see if I could figure out first, you know, and then, you know, read the directions. Sometimes I like reading the directions. You know, it doesn't matter. You don't need to know my whole life story right now. Okay. Nice, nice. They're nicely packaged. For all you ASMR fanatics. I know there's very many types of ASMR. It's a genre, but there's all these subgenres, you know? Okay. Ooh, what's this? Probably the little charger. The C cord, right? Is it? Okay, we'll worry about that later. Okay. And then the actual headphones. I hope they're comfy because that's really important. Okay. Ooh, okay. So there probably is an R and an L, right? Should be. Where are you, kitties? Or it's actually fairly obvious because of how the ears are. See, the front, the back, the front, and the back. Okay. I want to put them on. I'm gonna do it. Meow. I feel so silly, but I love it. Oh my goodness, I totally understand why people do this now. I can barely hear myself. Nice. So it sounds like, I mean, I'd have to play a game to know, but it sounds like the noise cancellation is A+. And, oh, these are comfy. And there's no wire to get in the way unless I'm charging. I don't know why I'm pointing at you like, you're in trouble. No, you're not in trouble. You're good. You're just watching. Okay. Oh, that's so nice. And then I think, sir, yes. So on the actual physical headphones, you turn them on and off button. I believe this is the volume control. That's so cool. And then of course the charging port here. Guys, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so weird, but I'm weirdly, yeah. Actually, no, it's not weird to be excited about this. I just really like that they're the same brand. That gives me hope, you know? That gives me some comfort because I had such a great experience with, let me just show you. You guys know if you've watched my channel, but see these guys. They're also like, they're so comfortable too. Like, and they're cute, like in their own sleek black, you know, sophisticated gamer type of way. Oh, that's right. Wait a minute. What? This one doesn't actually have. Oh, so wait a minute. Yeah, there's no mic. I think it's like built in. I'm not sure. I think so. We're gonna look at that just to clarify. You know, everything we're looking at right now will be clarified. Hopefully. And if you have questions, you can always leave them in the comments. Although I mentioned charging the headphones while using them, that might not be a possibility for everyone because the cord is less than 5 feet long. It's a USB-A cord, and it charges your headphones from a completely dead state. It takes about 3 hours to charge them. So what I'll do is I'll try to see if I can figure these babies out all by myself, and if I can't, then I'll go to the instructions and I'll let you know how seamless everything goes, okay? It looks like our kitty wants to join us for the kitty headphones. Oh, do you think I'm your mama now? Oh, he's so cute. Anyhow, super easy to connect these headphones. They connect just like any other Bluetooth controller. So you just go to your settings, you go to the Bluetooth settings, and then you add Bluetooth and the name pops up, Kitty Kraken, something or other. And that's it. I mean, well, first, before you do that though, of course you have to push the power button, which is on the left ear, right here behind it. Here's the power button. Yeah, you just hold it on, which I'm gonna do right now actually. And she says power on. I'm not sure if you guys heard that. And then the sides light up, the ears light up. So awesome. And you won't have to keep reconnecting your Bluetooth. It's gonna stay connected. So see, I've already connected mine, and now whenever I turn it on, it's gonna connect, which is awesome. And yeah, and then when you're done, you just push the same button for power off. It's really simple. And yes, they do last about 40 hours. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. We'll see if there's a little, like, I don't know if she warns us when the battery's low. I assume so. It doesn't say that anywhere that I've read so far, although I have not read all the instructions because it was so easy to do. And now, I would love to try and play something and see how the audio is. Does that sound good, Knox? Huh? He's speechless. Woot woot, let's go. All right, so we're gonna test them now. I actually have the game sound coming through them right now, so that's good. They're working like they're supposed to. I'm gonna test to see if I can control the volume from here. Yes. Oh, that's so sweet! I no longer have to go to my little soundboard. I could just control them here. Because you guys know, well, you may know by now, I have very sensitive ears, so. Oh my gosh, this lights up. So cool. All right, where are you putting me? Oh, dang, loud. Oops, match in progress. I have to learn where it is. There we go. Okay. All right, all right. Let me some hard point. Oh, little mouse. That was... Well, we're not really judging my gameplay right now. We're just judging the headphones. Whoa. Ooh. Yeah, I got killed from behind. That's okay. Okay. This seems like a good game to judge the headphones on. Hey, I think I got someone. Cool. Someone could come up behind me now, but it don't matter. Or like a revived person, you know? And you know what's great? These aren't getting in the way of my glasses. Because sometimes I have, oh, oops, sorry. Same team. Sometimes I have that issue. Oh, crap. E. Okay. Wow. Have I... Let's see. I mean, it sounds great. I have no complaints right now. I could play some music. I'm not gonna really use these for music though. So for me, it doesn't matter. Yes, leveling up my gun as I test these out. Okay. Okay, guys, this is, I admit when I look at myself and I'm not used to wearing these. I look kind of ridiculous, but I like it. I don't care. They're for my own pleasure. Okay. I feel like I have to finish this to see this through. Oh, maybe not. You know what? That's enough. All right, so now I'm using the mics on the headsets. Let's see how that sounds. I got your 6. Just kidding. Yeah, just talking, seeing how it goes. Just trying to use a normal volume, you know? I could go higher. Woohoo! Oh yeah, okay. I'll talk quieter now. I'll talk quieter. Yes, I think so. Oh, that sounds good. Yeah, that looks good. All right. Let's see how that went. Man, these are awesome. They're cute. The quality is still there. Because sometimes the cutesified things lack some of the quality, right? But no, not in this case. These have a good bass to them. They have surround sound. They do everything that they're supposed to. And Bluetooth, of course. So I'd like to see how they last, you know? How are they in the long run? How does it work when the battery's dying? Like, does it alert you? You know, things like that. I want to find those things out. But yeah, so far so good. Had a little gameplay already, as you guys could see. We showed it to you. And that went well. Yeah, these are definitely an upgrade from my previous Razers. Yeah, in quality and cuteness. I'm surprised. Because really, most of the time when you see something cutesy like this, the quality is kind of hit and miss, but this is definitely a hit. So, yay! I'm so excited. Woot woot! And I think Nox is excited because he hasn't left. He's still here, guys. Now, if you'd like to pick up some for yourself, we got them from Amazon for $100. Okay, $99.99. Thanks for watching. This has been Tracy with VainSoftGames. If you enjoy what you saw, you could like or leave a comment. Would you like to help support our channel? You can do so by heading on over to our Patreon. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell.